know you can do it. You can do it. You're okay. Good job. Okay, should we try again? Okay, calm down. Touch the floor. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Careful. You have to balance yourself. You know how to do that. Okay. No, I'm not holding your hands. You know how to do it. You just do it. You